Imagine waking up to find your personal information exposed to the world, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This is the reality with websites like PeopleSmart. PeopleSmart aggregates data from public records, social networks, and third-party sources, making your information easily searchable. Opting out of PeopleSmart is crucial to protect your digital footprint and minimize risks like identity theft and unsolicited contact. Start by visiting the PeopleSmart opt-out page. This is where you'll initiate the request to remove your personal information. Use the search function to locate your listing. Enter your name, city, and state to narrow down the results. Then click on the correct entry. Submit a request for removal by confirming your identity and verifying the information. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include email verification. After submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize your opt-out request. Typically, your information will be removed from the site within 24 to 48 hours. However, check back periodically to ensure complete removal. Remember, PeopleSmart is just one of many people search websites. Consider removing your information from similar platforms like White Pages, Spokeo, and Been Verified. For comprehensive privacy protection, explore professional reputation management services and resources like the Electronic Frontier Foundation and the Federal Trade Commission.